What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Motorola Edge 40 Pro lands on Geekbench with a powerful chipset and memory. Motorola's Edge 40 Pro is rumored to arrive in Western market at some point in the near future as a rebranded version of the Moto X40, which launched in China back in December. Today, a Motorola Edge 40 Pro prototype seemingly ran Geekbench, which means it's been inducted into the Benchmark's online Hall of Fame, or more accurately, its database. Motorola is moving closer to launching the Edge 40 Pro, which will likely be available as the Edge Plus 2023 in North America. While the company has not yet commented on the device release, recent Geekbench listings appear to confirm that the Motorola Moto Edge 40 Pro will come with 12GB of RAM, affirming earlier leaks. The Edge 40 Pro surfaced on Geekbench a few weeks after European pricing and a global launch window leaked. For reference, the Motorola Moto Edge 40 Pro is Moto X40 by another name, which Motorola announced 2 months ago in China. Recently, Motorola is expected to offer the Moto X40 in North America as Edge Plus 2023, mirroring its predecessor's route to market in Canada, the US and Mexico. As you can see in the video, someone benchmarked what appears to be Motorola Edge 40 Pro with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and 12GB of RAM. While the benchmark result remains unverified for now, the single and multi-core scores are in line with what we would expect from a handset powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Geekbench CPU information reinforces this, with a single CPU core clocked at 3.19 GHz, 4 cores running at 2.80 GHz, and 3 more cores restricted to 2.02 GHz. Supposedly, Motorola will only sell the Edge 40 Pro in Europe with 12GB of RAM. The company offers the Moto X40 with 8GB of RAM as its entry-level SKU. Moreover, the Motorola Moto Edge 40 Pro will be limited to 256GB of storage, despite Motorola selling a 512GB option in China. Reputedly, the new Motorola Edge 40 Pro will be launched for €849 in the Eurozone, a €50 uplift over the Edge 30 Pro. North American prices remains unknown for now, as does a precise release date outside China. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.